Okay, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about TOEIC, one of the most popular English proficiency tests used in the international workplace. And I will actually explain the differences between TOEIC, TOEFL, and IELTS, and give an example of a TOEIC reading question, and finally close with a short credit and reference. So, before I get into the material, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Gabrielle Tan with a name A2341090, and let's get started. Do you guys know what is TOEIC? TOEIC stands for a test of English for international communication. This test is designed to measure a person's ability to use English in professional and everyday workplace contexts. Unlike academic English tests, TOEIC focus on business and office communication, such as email, meeting, presentation, and customer service interaction. The TOEIC score is often used by international companies, educational institutions, and government agencies to evaluate the English proficiency of employee or job applicants. And the test has two main sections. The first one is listening comprehension that measures how well you understand spoken English, conversation, and announcement. And the second one is reading comprehension that measures how well you understand written text such as notice, short article, or business letter. Each section has 100 questions, and the total test time is about 2 hours, with score ranging from 10 until 100. And I will tell you guys what is differences between TOEFL, TOEIC, and IELTS. And I want to tell you guys the first one. TOEIC focus on English communication in the workplace, such as reading business, email, or understanding conversation between colleagues. And the second one is TOEFL, which stands for the test of English as a foreign language. It used mainly for academic purpose. And for example, studying abroad, especially in the United States, it measures how well you can read academic texts, listen to lectures or essay, and speak formally. And the third one is IELTS, or the International English Language Testing System. It's also used for study and immigration, especially in countries like the UK, Australia, and Canada. IELTS assess everyday and academic communication through 4 skills: that listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So the key differences lies in the purpose and context of use. If you are aiming to work in an international company, TOEIC is the right choice. But if you plan to study abroad, TOEFL or IELTS will be more suitable. And next we go to the sample TOEIC of reading question. And let's look example of a TOEIC reading question taken from provide practice material. And here's the sample page. So all employees, due to maintenance work, the company's main elevator will be out of service from Monday to Wednesday next week. During this period, please use the side elevator located near the cafeteria. We apologize for the inconvenience and appreciate your cooperation by facilities department. And here's the question. 1. What is the main purpose of this notice? A. To announce a new elevator installation. B. To apologize for our elevator malfunction. Or C. To inform employees about temporary elevator maintenance. Or D. To request feedback from staff. And the correct answer is C. To inform employees about temporary elevator maintenance. Because the passage clearly explains that the main elevator will be unavailable for a few days. Questions like this test your ability to find specific information and understand the main idea of a short text. In TOEIC reading, you will also find text like job advertisement, business email, or meeting schedule. And I have some tips for taking TOEIC test. And for the first one is listen to English business conversation regularly, such as podcasts or workplace that relate by videos. And the second one, practice reading short text like email, notice, and announcement. And 3, Build your workplace vocabulary, especially words related to office, finance, or customer service. 4. Use official practice tests from ETS, the organization that administers TOEIC, to get familiar with the question format. When consistent practice, you will able to recognize question pattern more easily and improve your score effectively. So that's a quick overview of a TOEIC, how it differs from TOEFL and IELTS, and a sample reading question. And I hope this explanation will help you understand what the TOEIC test is like and how you can prepare for it successfully. This video presented by me, Gabrielle Tan. Thank you for watching. And for the reference I get from ETS official TOEIC website. And for the sample question taken from TOEIC practice material, reading and listening section. And for the last one, the additional source get from British Council, ETS TOEIC handbook, and TOEFL IBT guide. That's all from me. Thank you.